Hello guys, today we're reviewing the HOTPEAK 1080p HD Mini Wi-Fi Projector, a compact and affordable way to turn almost any space into your own personal theater. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Android system. That means you can stream apps like Netflix and YouTube directly from the projector without needing extra devices. Just connect to Wi-Fi, log in, and you're ready to go. Setup is quick and simple thanks to electric focus and automatic keystone correction. With a tap of the remote, the image sharpens and aligns itself, saving you from dealing with blurry or tilted projections. Portability is another major win. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and includes an adjustable stand so you can project onto a wall, ceiling, or even outdoors for movie night under the stars. The built-in stereo speakers deliver solid sound for casual viewing, and Bluetooth support lets you connect external speakers for a more immersive experience. While the native resolution is 720p with 1080p support, it still delivers clear visuals for movies, shows, and gaming. Overall, the HOTPEAK Mini Projector offers convenience, portability, and great value in one small package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.